Finally. Class, we're not trying to go. It's Christmas. Yay, it's Christmas. I don't know if it's Christmas for you as I'm watching this video, but when I'm recording this, it is Christmas, so yeah. Also, don't mind Bob Leo in the background. He's gonna come for you. He's gonna like be up here accompanying us. Yay, whatever. So I've already got one box unboxed. Got 4 of these for Christmas, all from Santa. I don't know how you guys think it's old, but yeah. 18 cards per thing. And each pack is a pack of 6 cards. So, we've got a lot of these to unbox. Yep. Here are 2 more. We got 2 more, so we're gonna unbox these things. Also, Papa, would you mind moving? Okay, thank you. So our first one we are going to unbox is one of these 3 mini packs because they're the ones with the actual cards. Now I have not looked at this. This is not rigged, so be aware of things. Okay, so I have, if any of you play Clash Royale, you should know this stuff. This skeleton. Oh God. Freaking skeletons, I hate them. 3 fast, very weak melee fighters. Surround your enemies with just pile of bone. Damage 67, damage per second 67, hit point 60, hit point 67, hit speed 1 second, target's ground, speed, fast, range, and melee, count X3, deploy time 1 second, and these are all tournament. So yeah. Okay, so there's one of our cards. We're gonna put them all up here after this. So there's one of our cards. Next up, we got the minion horde. 6 fast unarmed flying attackers. There's a crowd. 3 is a crowd, 6 is a horde. These are all tournament levels. So if you guys have cards that are below level 9 or above level 9, the stats will not be the same. They do not stay the same at all. So here goes. Damage 84, damage per DPS, which is damage per second 84. They have 90 HP. The hit speed is 1 second. They target air and ground, and they're a flying troop. Speed is fast. Deploy time is 1 second. Range is 2 seconds, and there are 6 minions in 1 card. So yeah. So that's the minion horde for you. Up next, we have one of my personal favorites because I just looked at it. The Elite Barbarians. Now, a lot of you guys up there who have the Elite Barbarians probably seem to do the research, but yeah. So level 9 Elite Barbarians, which they look like if you play Clash of Clans, you'll recognize this picture of a barbarian because it's the max level 1, so yeah! Get over it. But, okay, so these are level 9 common type troops. These are all common troops so far, so we'll see if we get anything better. Okay, we'll see if we get anything better. Spawn pair of leveled up barbarians. They're like regular barbs, only harder, better, faster, and stronger. Damage 254, damage DPS 169. Their hit points are 970. Their hit speed is 1.5 seconds, so that's pretty honestly fast for barbs. They target.
You know how that works? That's just like the game?
Speed very fast. I don't know how the game works, but turn on.
That's Royale, I mean video games.
Range of melee, deploy time 1 second, and there are 2 barbs in 1 card. So yeah. So far we've had only cards that are multiple troops, and I have a feeling this next one is going to be going to have the same case. The Goblin Gang. This is our 4th comment in a row. Jeez. Come on. Please, game. Please stop. Just stop. Okay. So I should be featuring which arenas these are. Yeah. And for that case, update, skeletons, bone pit, minion horde. I'm trying to remember where the minion horde is now. I think it's still in Pekka's Playhouse. And the elite barbarians, I'm pretty sure, are still in Hog Mountain. That's at least what I know of. It could have changed or something by the time you were watching this video, but as of me recording this, that's where I think they are. Goblin Gang, Jungle Arena Common, right here. Another common, first common. And I already know this card. It spawns 5 troops. Golly! Please, somebody, game. Please help me. Okay, so so we have a goblin level of 9, spear goblin level of 9. There are 3 goblins and 2 spear goblins. Since the most recent Goblin Gang update, we're going to troops themselves. But now the deploy time 1 second. Hit points, HP is 106. This is the goblin side. Hit points, HP is 169. Their hit speed is 1.1 seconds, and they can only hit ground since so they do 99 damage, and their speed is very fast. Now, pretty much the same goes for the spear goblins on here. This is per unit anyways, so it's not like I don't know. But their HP is 110, their hit speed is 1.1 seconds, they target air and ground since they have spears that can go into air. Their damage is 15, their speed is very fast. That is the Goblin Gang for you. These are all at level 9 also. You can tell the elixir.
I know, it's so
1
much.
elixir. 5 elixir.
And the problem is we have to go to Mom's house tomorrow.
3 elixir. Now,
That's fair.
this next one, I took a peek at what all of ours were. I took a peek at what all of ours were before I reveal them to you. But this is, in this pack at least, our rarest card. It's finally not common. It's the Zap. So, the Zap is like, yeah. It's a Zap, it's an epic. You unlock it in, oh gosh. So I'm just going to use my phone to help me with these things.
Logan, I'm taking the outside plastic off of your smash bag.
Okay. So, yeah, I play Clash Royale. Suck it up. This is why I want CRL. Clash trading cards. Yeah, trading cards.
I can't even really see you. All they see is the
Yeah, they don't have to use unboxing videos at least.
but they can't see the goblin thing.
So, here's a recap on all of our guards so far. The skeleton right here has stayed in both pitches. Okay, so that one settled. Our next one is the minion horde, which as well is the second guard on this list to stay in this arena, and it is still in
Yeah, this will be fun to play.
Playhouse.
Even you'll like it.
What is
So
that?
we have
Elite bar.
Oh, yeah.
It's still. It's still in
Yes,
one
I
box.
know.
And
It is,
we have a different
once
set
again,
for
still
the
in this
mom's
arena.
house.
And
So we can all
I'm
like,
looking
all
through the actual game, so this is actual
We
game
got
footage.
Joy-Cons, right?
Yeah.
Goblin Gang is still in Jungle Arena. Now, in our new cards cave, which, if you're just tuning in, is the Zap.
That was not
I'll be
needed.
playing that later. The Zap I have, so I know it exists somewhere. It is Pecca's Playhouse or went from Snow Valley to Pecca's Playhouse. I don't know anymore, so yeah. So the Zap, 2 Elixir, epic. It's very
I'm just gonna say that whoever invented Christmas is
Huh?
awesome.
Oh my god, I'm sorry.
Santa's pretty
I just
cool.
thought this purple outline would make it. It's still calm and fantastic. But I know the next one
Hey,
isn't.
this is
I know the
food.
next
You
one
don't
isn't.
open
Ah.
your- throw it away.
So, this moment is the first one on our list that is actually a spell. Instead of the truth. That's and me briefly studying them and inside the ball. Then radius and does reduce damage to compounds. Also the definition for the goblin game is spawn 5 goblins, 3 with a knife, 3 with knives, 2 with spears, at a discounted lowest cost. It's like a goblin value. Wow, you game art. Pretty sure these definitions are from straight inside of the game. Yeah, these are. Yeah, these cards definitions is stats and these are exactly inside of the game. Yeah, they're from exactly inside of the game. What do you? Why? So the area damage is 159. Its ground area damage is reduced to 56. That means minus 103 damage. That's sad. Stun duration is 0.5 seconds, and its radius is 2.
Oh, that's what that game.
Half, I think, like squares
I was first
and
looking at
circles.
it's all Pokemon.
Now, I am going to make a different pile for all the different rarities. We have had only common so far, and then we're going to review how many dang of each one that we have. And this next card I'm about to show you guys. This next card I'm about to show you guys is our rarest one yet. It is the Dart Goblin. Like, I don't know about you, but the dang Dart.
What about your favorite, the skeleton army?
Oh, I didn't get in this pack yet. Yeah, one of my favorite cards is the Skeleton Army. It's not my number 1 fave anymore. Probably is one of them. But this year is the Dark Goblin. And I know for a fact that it should still be in Jungle Arena. As of my knowing, please help us with these and not make us look on the game. Yup. It is in Jungle Arena, so that proves it. I have no card from Frozen Peak and up, so above Royal Arena. I have no other card as you can know because Modern Royale. So I don't have.
I just pressed the middle and now it's flashing.
I don't have the Goblin Gang and the Elite Bar. So they're probably one of my favorite ones on this list anyway. So. But I have everything else. And this is another one of those that I have no access to because it is Arena 9, Jungle Arena, and anything Arena 8 and above, which is Frozen Peak and above. I do not have the Dark Goblin. Yeah. So this is for tournament standards. These are all the same as in game. Rarity, rare type, true. The type is common spell, runs fast, shoots hard, and chews gum. How does he blow a dart with a mouthful of gum? Here's a didgeridoo lesson. There. Damage 93, DPS 143, so it does more damage per second than it does damage per hit. HP is 216, hit speed is 0.6 seconds. That should explain the DPS for you. Targets air and ground, speed is very fast, range is 6.5, and deploy time is 1 second. This is the Dark Goblin for you guys, ladies. ladies and gents. Now, the legendaries are supposed to be super rare. Epics and rares are also supposed to be pretty rare. So I only got one out of
I'm sorry.
Hold back. It even says on the back of these big cartons, look for rare, epic, and legendary cards. Well, I got a rare one.
Oh, wow! 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 Look at it! Oh my gosh, I'm just staring at the book.
Okay. Okay.
I'm sorry. I'm hyped. I'm hyped.
She's like Undertale and Super Smash Bros.
Yeah!
I'm just sitting here trying to do an unboxing video how I do. So, dude, on to our next one. We have, I'm looking through, once again, one round. I have all these cards. So, we're going to start off with our stuff. Hopefully you can see that. So, basically we have, starting off, the knight. The knight is a pretty basic card and everything. It's a common, it's a troop, it's a tough melee fighter.
It's an
Undertale!
Undertale!
Remember, I said that he was knighted based on the sheer awesomeness. His mustache alone. And his brother, the barbarian.
You need to brush your teeth.
Okay. Damage 159, DPS 132, hit points is 1,314. This is probably why they use him as a medium tank. How does this card have more HP at tournament standard than a minor that more at tournament HP at tournament standard? Why? Common better than legendary? I bet a lot of you guys are. Some of you guys are pretty shocked. I'm personally not. Yeah, hit point. Okay, already said that. His hit speed is 1.2 seconds, so that should explain the DPS. His hit speed. Pay attention to that. Target scram, speed, medium, range, melee, and the deploying time 1 second. The night for you. And he goes up top once again. The common takeover also. He is, I think, a training game card. At least I'm pretty sure he is. Something like that.
Yeah!
Dang it.
Let's go!
Dang it, so. Yep, he's a training camp. Okay, so our next card is the Bomber. And it is one of the unlucky few, which is the first one that switched team arenas. So I'm pretty sure it was one of the more starter cards you would normally get off with at the training camp, but he recently switched to Bone Pit in the latest.
Yeah! Yeah!
Ignore it, it's background music. It's actually playing Undertale. So, the Bomber, one of my other favorite cards. This is probably my favorite card. The Bomber from family and Doug from getting a win, but hey. Who ran it? I'm pretty sure he went on to win. So it's a small, lightly protected skeleton that throws bombs, deals area damage, that can wipe out a swarm of enemies. Very common, type troop. As of these cards being made, it was the second one. He switched with minions, but it isn't it now, and we cannot deny that fact that these were made before the recent arena update, so dang it. So, dang it. It's all you. Okay. He does his air damage of 271. His DPS is 142. His HP is 311. 11. So it was a bomber. So a level 9 bomber can out one shot. I don't know. So level 9 bomber. What? Okay. So it's be I say this, but 1.9 seconds. Target's ground speed is medium, range is 4.5, and the deploy time is 1 second. That is the bomber for you.
On the tail.
Later, I'm stealing that. I'm stealing that. I'm playing with the Pikachu after this. Yeah, guys, sorry, but my kids like Fortnite things and let's go Pikachu staying down. This is only our unboxing video, and it is being normally recorded. And I don't know why it's taking me so long to get through all of this. But there's no denying the fact that we are what?
Okay. I checked Frisk and it says, warning, this name will make your life hell. Proceed anyway. Yes!
How about you switch your name to something else?
No, I want to be Frisk.
Hold on, just see what it says. Okay.
Yay! Look at here! Undertale!
Hold on, guys.
Undertale! You can tell us which vector it is. Flowey! I found a Flowey!
Oh God. She's like,
Yes, Abby. Okay. I'm gonna dodge all of your bullets because I know your trick. If you want to see him get mad, it's funny.
okay.
Yeah, but I know. You must be evil. That's gonna be a virus, not you. No. Oh. You actually move the hard one. I move the hard one. Yeah. I don't want that. I don't want that. It's also fun. Yeah, there's a dog over there. Gotcha. It does actually damage you? Yeah. Nope. You're not gonna kill me. Toriel's gonna save me. We'll send a friend with 2 bullets. Should I try? Don't do it. I ran to them. Okay. You're dead. Thanks so much.
Hey guys, sorry about the
Sorry.
animation, but yay, fuck this video. He's cute. He's gonna say bye or saying so where were we? Flap.
Toriel, wait for me. Toriel did my best.
Ow. Ooh, 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 ooh.
Toriel, too bad.
Sorry, I stepped on the edge of my thing. Once again, another card that I actually do have because it is Goblin Stadium. Okay, now that's some deal. We really Spear Goblins are here. It's a level 2 elixir card. It's 2 elixir. You can see the elixir on all of these, so I really don't have to explain it anymore, but yeah. It's just a little purple blotch thing. So its rarity is common. It's a troop. Again, damage 50, DPS 45. Eat 1.1 seconds. HP is 1.10. Is 110. And the targets around. I don't know if I said this already, but hits speed 1.1 seconds. Say speed very fast, range 5. Deploy time 1 second, and it spawns 3 troops. That is the Spear Goblin for you. Thank you for calming down. Okay. Next up, we have. Wait, what? I don't have to explain it anymore, but. Okay. Get over here, Zach. Oh, hey, I did introducing. Oh no. What's happening? You don't have to, Zach. It's actually not going to change gameplay at all, so. Yeah, really change. Does not change the gameplay, not one bit. So I'm having 2 cards makes it to where you've got basically, you can upgrade them. But in the trading card game, I don't think you can upgrade stuff. So now we got another Zap. It's our next supposedly double card. That's what they do in some mini game. I don't know what you're supposed to do. But hey, whatever gives, okay? Next up is one I think you guys are going to be interested in, and it's the Fire Spirit. Yeah, I know it. Yeah, I gotta love something. So 2 elixir once again. It's type common. It's red common. Its type is troop. Yeah, don't get fooled by the purple camo. But it says these 3 fire spirits are on a Kamikaze mission to give you a warm hug. It'd be adorable if they weren't on fire. Oh, so this is their status as of 3.11 of March 1st of 2018, or as of me making this video this year. So I'd say these are taken straight from the game because they are made by Supercell anyways. So these should be taken straight from the game, but who knows, some of these cards could have gotten like buffed or nerfed, so it just depends on whatever their tournament's gonna do. So stuff is also Giant Goblins, Stands, Goblins, and I don't know if I mentioned that, but now the Zap once again for you to recap. I don't need to explain that actually, so let's just do it. So it's Fire Spirits, spelled out. They have damage of 169, hit point HP of 91, target air and ground speed is they walk at a very fast speed, that's their speed rate. And the target, no, I already said that. Their rate is 2, their display time is 1 second, and count is times 3, although that spawns. Pretty much. Okay. We're down to our final card of our second pack. And it is another rare. I know these are pretty rare, but terrible one from Hog Mountain. And I only have 2 legendaries, as well, so well, all the legendaries except for Miner and Lava Hound are like I don't have this, so yeah. Hog Mountain rare. Why do we even need this? And I know, I said I will. I said I didn't have any card Hog Mountain or up, but this one changed to Hog Mountain. But that's a different story. So, I think it used to be a bump it card because bomb tower, a lot of bombers, skeletons, and all that stuff. But yeah, so there you have the bomb tower. My only one and only. Probably one of the only. Also, I have some cards, like the Tesla, because I got them before they moved and stuff. So yeah, I've been a pretty old player. If you've been playing since the arena update, that's the Clash Royale you know, and I have been playing before that. So that's all just me, a new update and new rating. So let us get into the damages and stuff and definitions. So rare, as you know already, is rare. Its type is a building. It's a building card. I think the first one that we got. Defensive. Building a house is a bomber. Skill area isn't anything dumb enough to stand near it. Hollywood talking to the bomber at one. Its area damage does damage and the rule is 176 RU Frosty on Fox. It has it does 110 DPS on its HP is 1672 or 1672 if you don't know what that means. That has 1.6 seconds of a hit speed. Targets ground only, so does not feel rare still. Range is 6 and the
I already died. Already.
And what fight are you on?
I'm still in the ruins.
You must not be too good at the game.
Well, I just started playing today.
Like, yet. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so, yep. Range is 6, deploy time is 1 second, and its lifetime is 1 second. So, if you don't know what's going on with the whole lifetime thing, why is it not in anything else, like a spell or swinging buildings, whatever so far? It's because lifetime, they have buildings, I don't know why, but they have like a sort of a limited time, you say, to live before they slowly run out. Well, slowly run out of HP before they die. And the determination, and the reason for this factor is because, well, let's just take the bomb tower again, for example. If it didn't, or the Inferno Tower. If it didn't have that whole lifetime thing, stuff like the Inferno Tower, bomb tower, cannon, Tesla, etc., etc., buildings like that would be a lot more stronger, and it would just stay there and boom, 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 you're dead all of a sudden. All of a sudden, you can't even get past his defenses, and yeah, so they have to make it so that we can slowly over time, and if you just leave it all.
I died again.
There's nothing you can attack. attack it then. Venom.
How will I survive under there? How?
You probably won't, that's how. Neem, are you going past this fifth route? Or
Yeah! Harder than you think.
Okay, because if I were you, I would just play Genocide.
No! Never.
It's a lot easier and a lot more fun, I think, when you think about it.
Never.
Because lots of things out here, like, get out of here,
Never.
get out of here, goodbye.
I don't want to kill all the monsters. I want to save them.
Why?
Because they're easy.
I think I might go slightly past the fifth, like all
Well, then
the
you're just going neutral.
like all the bosses I will either attack, kill, or not kill. I think not.
You
I
shouldn't
want-
kill Papyrus. I think if you spare Papyrus, you don't have it.
So if you spare Papyrus, you spare Sans.
Basically. If you don't want to play.
Because I want to spare Sans. Not because he's evil or anything, because he's my favorite character. So I'll probably spare all of the other bosses in the game just to be safe or anything anyways. So yeah, and then and then for any other fight that we get into, what? Could you not?
I'm playing on the game.
Oh God.
What happened?
Eva, put the Nintendo in the thingy.
I did.
Dad,
I did.
put the Nintendo in the thingy. So if you don't know, it's very early in the morning and I'm making this. So yeah, that's the bomb tower for you. Otherwise, bomb tower would just be sitting there defending, and it would probably become one of the most OP cards in the game unless you play some baby dragon and just or an electro dragon. I don't know anymore, but something like that maybe. I'm guessing. I played. Also, guys, as we're doing this, I just wanted you to know that I played poorly, very poorly, with the electro dragon because I got it once in one of the challenges in a deck to use. It's like a Clash Royale esports random deck challenge or something like that. Something along the lines of that area, but I'm just disappointed.
How am I gonna make it through Snowden if I keep dying like this?
Third what?
How am I gonna survive through Snowden if I keep dying like this?
If you keep dying like this, I bet Papyrus is gonna give you a lot.
Papyrus is gonna kill me.
Yeah, and that's embarrassing. He's probably one of the easiest bosses. So, well, he's a boss. God. We're into our third pack of cards for this one box.
Have you not gotten a yellow army yet?
No. I have not even gotten a red. I have not even gotten any epic or legendary yet. I still only have a few rares and everything else is common. I don't know if I'm ever gonna get a rare, an epic or a legendary normally.
Oh, here's the monster candy. Cause I need this.
For what?
Reeling. So I can survive.
Yeah, but there's only one, right?
If it's not working, then you go back because
Cause since this right here is taking so long, I'm only going to finish off this and do the last and do each box in their own episode and Christmas, or I might just only do this one. I'll flip the recording on if I'll turn the recording on for a new CR Clash Royale trading card video if I find one. So. Yeah. So here we go. Got another Fire Spirits already. Jeez. I think the purple banner means that there are multiple of that card or something like that. I don't know. And then we have today more. Hold on. Before any of that happened, we had the goblins. So the goblins are 3/5 on armored melee attackers, small, fast, green, and main. Damage 99, damage, DPS is 90, HP is 169. Its speed is 1.1 seconds, and targets the ground only. Speed is very fast. Range is melee. Deploy time 1 second, and has 3. So yeah, that's it. Common troop. Wow, I just blazed through that. I don't know why I have so many interruptions and why I'm stalling for so much time because I have nothing to think about. Yeah. We have the mortar, which I have at level 6. So, mortar. Defensive building with a long range. Use explode mortar to do it. Goblin Stadium, Fire Spirits, Belt Valley, Bomb Dog, and then that's 3. Actually, yeah, just Goblins, which is also in Goblin Stadium. I've been forgetting to do that. If you guys have any questions, I could probably maybe reply to you. I don't know.
I'm getting a bit sad because I tried to get him and
You get him. I'm busy doing a video.
I tried and he did nothing.
Why do I have to be the one responsible for your problem? You should be the one responsible for your
No
problem.
one even watches those YouTube videos. Come on.
I don't care. I make them anyway.
Well, then you're wasting time. You could be making video games, which is not from
I don't like Undertale, so
You don't have to play them too.
I'll not even be playing that. Probably.
What about your Let's Go Pikachu? Do you want to play that?
Yeah, but I cannot right now because I'm busy doing a video and just let me be. Sorry. More. 4 elixir. Very common type of building. It has a lifetime as well, so that means defensive building with a long range. Shoots exploding bolts with area damage. Cannot shoot at targets that get super close. Area damage 228 damage. DPS is 45. Its HP is 1,272. Its hit speed is 5 seconds. It targets ground only. Its range is 11.5. It's 4 to 11.5 because realistically, the play time is 3.5 seconds and its lifetime is 30 seconds. So that is the mortar review. Spear Goblins, we've gotten it again. Congrats, mighty Spear Goblins, and Zach. The heck? I think I know what the purple one is. Okay, so those are the barbarians, 5 elixir, common troop, for the melee attackers with mean moustaches and even meaner tempers. Common troop. Damage is 159, DPS is 106, and if this stat stay the same as my barbarian stats I'm right now. But HP is 336. Their hit speed is 1.5 seconds. So they have hit speed as of right here, according to this, the same as the elite barbarians. But I think that the elite barbarians have a faster hit speed, and they have a slow hit speed, very slow, slower than the mini P.E.K.K.A. But according to this, probably like 1.7 or 1.5. I don't know which is faster or something like that. So onward. Range, melee, it's melee. So yeah. The speed is medium, targets only ground, deploy time is 1 second, and it spawns 4 barbarian every 1 use. So you're gonna have 1 barbarian. Barbarian. So eventually we're going to open all of these and yeah. So we've got the battle ram. So first, like, tank. It's a rare troop battle ram. 2 barbarians holding a big log charged at the nearest building, doing significant damage. If they connect, then they go to town. If they connect, then they go to town with your swords. So yeah, different. Damage 246. It's charge damage 492, so it does 490 damage to attack. With the HP of these are ram itself is 756. Its barbarian level or 9. Targets building. Speed meanie. Range melee. Deploy time 1 second. Now the barbarian is HP 699. Damage is 174. Speed is 1.5. Speed is medium and target. So that is our first box for you guys, and I hope you're okay if I make another video because this meeting was 47 minutes long. So yeah, if you're new, be sure to subscribe, hit the bell for back content, and see you guys later. Yeah.